Yeah. And
this is a good thing
And
here.
this is why Live Good is so damn dope, is because now I'm an internet online marketing, affiliate marketing, YouTuber, network marketer. I'm all of that when it comes to that, online entrepreneur stuff. And I'm definitely all in when it comes
Mhm.
to Live Good. Now, you, on the other hand, you got a full-time job, you do fitness, you do have a fitness, your YouTube channel, you know what I mean? The Fit Mom, right? You got that
Mhm.
going on. You got a little book, you wrote all that, but you're not a traditional like affiliate
Mhm.
marketer, network marketer,
Absolutely not.
right? And you
Yeah.
are excited about Live Good. So it really kind of stretches like across all, I don't even know the right word to say, but all kinds of people will be into
Mhm.
Live Good and this opportunity. You don't have to be a online guru entrepreneur to be
Mhm.
involved with Live Good and to be successful with Live Good, right? You can just be a normal person and just say, you know what? I want an extra income. I'm into health and wellness, right? And you can get involved with Live Good. That's why I can't
Well,
wait to pop off with this.
and you know what? That's how I started off. Remember, I was like, well, if I can get these supplements for a discount, get my super
Right.
greens and protein. That's how I started off. I was like, oh, okay, whatever. But then when I saw the value with that, right? The products. But
Mm-hmm.
then I saw the opportunity. So that's when I was like, you know what? This is something I want to get behind. This is
Yeah.
something I definitely want to. I mean, there's so many different things I could be an affiliate of, but if I don't support it or like it, then I'm not going to do it. It's not genuine for me. I'm like,
Right.
but this I'm like fully behind it. So that's all I got. If I'm into it and I'm totally not into like network marketing and stuff, it's like it's not even about that. It's
Yeah.
it's just the opportunity for anyone that's in anything. You know what I mean? So